Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, August 9th. The Zen story for today is titled The Thread in the Cat's Mouth. The cat didn't know when it had started. The thread was already in its mouth when it woke, thin and pale, light as breath, stretching out behind it into the dark. At first, the cat walked without thinking, weaving quietly through doorways and across stone paths, the thread trailing behind like something half alive. It moved easily at first, sliding across the floor with hardly any weight at all. But as the cat wandered deeper into the temple, something shifted. The thread began to resist. Not sharply, not enough to pull it back, but with just enough tension to make the cat pause. It bit down gently, testing the pull. The thread held firm. The cat stood still, ears flicking, feeling the quiet hum of something pulling from the other end. It took another step, and another. With each movement, the thread pulled a little more, not enough to stop it, but enough to remind it that something unseen was waiting. The cat reached the doorway of the meditation hall and stopped there, its body leaning slightly forward, its breath growing shallow. It knew somehow, without needing to understand. If it held on, the pull might never stop. But if it let go, the thread will vanish. The cat stood frozen in that small hesitation. It stood on the edge of holding or letting go, until, with a breath it hadn't known it was holding, it released. The thread slipped from its mouth, so light it seemed to dissolve before it even touched the ground. The cat watched the empty air where the thread had been, its tongue pressing against the roof of its mouth as if searching for the shape of something already gone. It stayed there, unmoving. And when it finally did move, the temple felt lighter. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to relax your body, arriving into stillness. You may want to close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften it. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. What are you still holding? Not because you must, but because it's familiar. What are you still holding? Not because you must, but because it's familiar. Now bring your hands to your heart and, as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. What are you still holding? Not because you must, but because it's familiar. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.